exciting Japanese vocabulary word we'll be diving into is haru, often used in various contexts, from crafting intriguing stories to navigating everyday tasks. Ready to explore where and how haru plays a role in real-life situations? Join in to master its usage. Haru. Haru. The word haru means to stretch or to put up something. It can refer to putting up a poster, pitching a tent, or even the feeling of stretching tightness, like the sky stretching out broadly. The first kanji means to stretch or to put under tension, like making something tight or extended. In the word kinchou, it gives the sense of being stretched tight, so it describes nervous tension. In the word kakuchou, it carries the idea of stretching out or expanding, so it marks the sense of extending or enlarging. I pitch a tent in the park. 私は公園でテントを張ります。私は公園でテントを張ります。I put a poster on the wall. ポスターを壁に貼ります。ポスターを壁に貼ります。The sky is so blue it makes me squint. 空は青くてまぶたを張る。空は青くてまぶたを張る。He puffed out his chest. 彼は胸を張りました。彼は胸を張りました。The most common synonyms of the word haru are haru and haru. Both have similar nuances, often dealing with attaching or stretching, such as placing items on a surface or putting up things in a visible manner. The most common antonyms of the word haru are chijimu and chijimeru. These words focus on the process of shrinking or making something smaller, as opposed to stretching or expanding.